Hello viewers and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Now today we're going to talk about conjunctions. If you're new here, I request that you press the subscribe button, like our videos and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Now I'm still alone, my daughter has not come back, but that does not make us stop because I noticed that a lot of us are following the channel and thank you for the likes that you're giving us so far. We shall talk about conjunctions. I'll give the English name, the Luo translation, or the approximate Luo translation because they may not be exact, and then I'll give a sentence. So let me start with the first conjunction, which is and. This would translate to cod or gi. Cod or gi. And in a sentence, I would say, Nyathi kod min mare. Baby and mother. Its mother. Baby and its mother. Min mare. Mother its. Min mare. Baby and mother its. So that translates to a child and its mother. The second conjunction is for, and for can be kuom or mar. Kuom, mar, M-A-R, not mar but mar and kuom. In example in a sentence, mar kinde malach. Mar kinde malach. That means for a long time. For a long time. Mar kinde malach. The other example is osedak mar kinde machuok. Osedak mar kinde machuok. He's been living for a very short time. Osedak, he's been living. Mar, for kinde machuok, a short while or a short time. The third one would be called nor. Nor. So when you talk about neither nor is called kata. 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 An example in a sentence, obed jamoko kata jadhier, onge ma ohero mondo chiew. Obed jamoko kata jadhier, onge ma ohero mondo chiew. So neither a rich man nor a poor man likes to wake up early. Neither a poor man, neither a rich man, nor a poor man. Onge ma, neither, none likes to wake up ohero. None likes, onge ma ohero. None likes to mondo chiew, wake up early. Good? Then the next one is between. And between is kind, not kind. Kind, kind, kind. An example in a sentence, I can't read. Nodonjo e kind nyiri gi yawuoyi ma othego dhao. Nodonjo e kind nyiri gi yawuoyi ma othego dhao. He got in between girls and boys. Then he stopped the fight. Then he stopped the fight. He got in between girls and boys. Then he stopped the fight. Kind, between. The next one is yet. Yet would translate to to. To. To, not to. To. Remember A, E, I, O, U. To. An example in a sentence. Sorry. Ochielo ringo to pok ochula go pacha. Ochielo ringo to pok ochula go pacha. This means he's frying beef. Remember, ringo is beef. He's frying beef, yet he's not paid my debt. He's frying beef, yet he's not paid my debt. So that's where you use yet or to. The next one would be so. Now, so has a lot of meanings, but you'll see that they repeat. But the one I would like to talk about is mondo. Mondo. But you can talk about this. This would be an encouraging assent. This would be interrogative. And I think I'll just dedicate maybe one of these days. I'll just do another video for just to keep us on the same page. But I'll talk about mondo. 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 And example in a sentence. Adak dala, adok dala chon, mondo achak tedo ne nyithinda. Adok dala chon, mondo achak tedo ne nyithinda. I'm going back home early so that I can start cooking for my kids. So achak start cooking tedo ne to my kids, nyithinda. Okay. Then the next one is or. Or translates to kata or koso. Kata and koso. I think I have examples of both. So I'll just show you examples of kata and example of koso. Otingo olemo elwedo mane. Otingo olemo elwedo mane. Achich koso acham. He's carrying fruits on which hand is he carrying fruits? Right or left? Achich, right or left? Which hand is he carrying fruits? Right or left? Otingo olemo elwedo mane. Achich koso acham. And the other one that has kata is onyalo tingo olemo elwedo korachwich kata acham. He can carry fruits on his right hand or his left hand. Good. So this is korachwich on the right, kata acham, or left, or on the right or left. There is one more example is onyuolo nyako koso wuoyi. Oh, this is a nice one. Onyuolo nyako koso wuoyi. Did she give birth to a boy or a girl? Now, the last one is but, and unfortunately I could not relate but to anything directly, but it might look at to and mbula. Mbula is from an interjection in the Alego accent. And I could not look for any example past that, but maybe in future videos I'll talk about it. Or if you know about this, you can leave comments and just enrich this video. Good. Thank you so much, and thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and thank you for learning with us. Remember, if you're new here, please subscribe, turn on your notification bells, and if you'd like to support this channel, please go to www.patreon.com/Luo English Dictionary. You can find us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti, peace. Oh, and peace is kwe. Kwe.